Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve there was a problem on your application of Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve, there is many issues or lots of problems on your Roblox. You should just go to settings. Then this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about Roblox app and you will enter. Then this page we click force stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can know how to fix your problem on Roblox as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.